showcase the upcoming season.
Totally.
And the way Susan does velvet in this velvet bateau neck top, it's fabulous. It is so fluid on the body.
Yes.
It's going to be so gorgeous on you. It truly glides. It's $15 off because it's now on clearance. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
even know
that. Oh my goodness. Awesome.
I love when
Grab
we
it
surprise
up.
the designers.
I love that. Well, you know, we're so busy designing the collection. We're moving forward. We're actually into, where are we now? We're like into next fall.
Oh, that's crazy.
2015 going into 16. QVC constantly, you know, we're bringing in new merchandise, moving out the merchandise that we have in stock, and that's a fabulous value because this is all brand new, first quality merchandise. It's not like somebody wore it or picked it. You know, when you go in a store and it's on clearance, and it's always like
lipstick
the
stains,
old stuff.
You can tell somebody tried it on. Yeah,
This
you're
is
not going to have that here
fantastic.
at QVC. All right, there's 6 colors to choose from.
Wow.
Okay, starting off with this one. This is this the...
This is the Merlot.
The wine. We call it wine.
There
Okay.
you can see the inside. It's
all sizes available too, which is great, by the way.
And that's the color I chose to wear. You know, it's beautiful. It's the new color of the season. You're going to see lots of this color. We actually do almost like, if you love, I'm very into monochromatic lately.
And this pant will be coming up, by the way.
Into monochromatic, so if you want to do that look, how fantastic is that? But I would even love this color, you know, with grays, with navy blue.
These are the 2 hot colors of the season. Everybody's talked about gray up front, but it's the wine and burgundies and Bordeaux's that are really coming up as the sleeper color again of the season.
Big look.
So there's your wine color top, all sizes available. This is dark teal.
And look at the teal, even with like a camel color, like your skirt. I know you were going to wear this.
This is the one I wanted to wear for my Orpaz show, but we couldn't get one for me.
That'd be beautiful.
Feeling a little sad about that. Okay, all sizes available there. Here is your navy, gorgeous.
Stunning.
Look at how that catches the light.
Yeah,
all sizes available.
It has like a sapphire, almost purpley navy.
Here's classic
Must
black.
Have black, isn't it? Rich
that's
in the
your
black.
New Year's Eve top right there.
Totally.
Or if you really want to be bold, go for the new color, crimson red.
Isn't that gorgeous? And to me, I'd throw this on with a pair of jeans instead of a sweater, instead of a t-shirt. You know, this is how I love to dress. I love velvets. I'm very into these plush, rich, textured fabrics.
Gorgeous.
And
all right.
neutral tones. Hello,
all sizes in red.
gorgeous.
Now this is sand dune. This is where we get a little bit more limited. Extra, extra small through 1X.
Look at that.
In this.
And again, when I catch the light, you can really appreciate the sandy color. Gorgeous.
Okay.
And the next color is
also
amazing.
a handful in 3X in this, just to let
That's
you
it?
know. Just
Okay.
a handful, though. And then finally, we have this really deep, rich chocolate brown.
And
Extra,
that's
extra
another
small through extra large.
I'm like, ooh, I'm so excited. They're all good colors because they're well saturated. And it's taking velvet like to the next level. Used to be, you know, velvets were woven. Used to be that velvets were dry clean only. So I developed actually this fabric, literally worked with the mills in developing it for QVC many years ago, and it quickly became one of the #1 velvets that were in the market. And so I constantly do new styles. This is that classic chic, you know, wear forever top. It's a 3/4 sleeve. It has a bateau neckline, so I'm able to put a little jewelry with it. I love that, you know, it shows a waist shape. It's not like big and boxy, but it's not a skimpy little top. There's room in here. You don't see all my, you know, my microphones in the back. It just glides over. And if you love like my liquid knit, to me this is like a liquid velvet. It's velvet that's movable.
It does feel like that, yes.
Doesn't it have that liquidy feel? Because the inside is a slippery, slinky, shiny material. This will glide over your skin and it doesn't cling. And then it stretches and recovers because it's poly-rich. So it's been very, very popular here at the Q. Another, you know, velvet piece that you'll wear often, that you throw this on instead of your sweater, instead of something just ho-hum and boring. Do some velvet in your life.
Office,
It's
party, weekend with jeans, you name it. It all is going to depend how you accessorize it.
Very
and
true.
The necklace you're wearing and the necklace Katya has on,
Yeah.
instant glam right there. So if you do want to wear this for all your holiday functions coming up, just change up the necklace, but wear the same top. You'll get a lot of use out of it.
And they're all available. You go to QVC.com. If you like any of the jewelry you see, is all available. So I love also, you see Jackie, she's wearing one of my beautiful burnout velvet scarves, which are in the show. I think it's coming up next.
Yes,
it's a gift-giving item. And it comes totally boxed, so you can just give that as a gift.
Yeah.
So I love, again, the velvet top that you're going to accessorize. To me, this is your blank canvas, but it's a little bit more special by having extravagant, you know, in that beautiful plush velvet.
And you're
It's
not
gorgeous.
gonna, like old velvet, you're not gonna
Yeah.
get overheated in it. This is
No.
gonna be cool on the skin
Cool.
because of that layer that's underneath. All right, quickly colors. You're looking at the
Okay.
wine, which is Susan's holding. I have, there's a dark teal. Then we have black. Then we have sand dune.
Ooh, gorgeous.
Behind sand dune is chocolate brown. And then I am holding crimson red. And that beautiful, beautiful navy.
That
Oh.
navy's amazing.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Okay, that's item
Great gift, too.
A210
Give it as a gift.
8026. Clearance price $25.
That's insane.
And 98 cents.
That's such
I'm
a
really
great
liking
price.
that.
Wow.
All right, so we mentioned the scarf, right? Here it is. And
Super
Jackie
gorge.
looks